Hello guys, long time I don't do any video. uh, this time I have a supposed to be short job and easy, but maybe it's useful for you. We have a Dell Latitude 5590. I love this model. And we need to rebuild a new BIOS battery. So, and maybe to replace the screen. But first let's start with the BIOS battery. Yeah, it's a premium model. Nice laptop, very nice. Good. Lovely laptop, lovely. Yep. So this is the BIOS battery. Without the main battery, the laptop always restart BIOS, and without charger. So maybe the battery is gone. Let's see. .4 is not too low, but is low. Yeah, let's say okay. Alright, let's rebuild the battery. Uh, right. Let's see if I can save that connector or not. No. Oh yeah, I saved the connector. Alright, other one. Save. Less work for me. Where is that? Good. So this one is done. Let's see. I have a surprise brand new battery to be discharged completely. So 3.2, 3.3. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Right, that's plus. Oops, it's not well. Now it's well done. Minus. And it's done. Maybe it's not a good light here. Right. Nice and easy. A little bit more. Good. Now we use the hot air, not too much, temperature around 300, let's say 320. That's fine. Perfect. Not too much heat because it's a battery. Okie dokie. Where is my laptop? It's here. First let's check the voltage. .17. It's okay, it's fine. It's fine. Where is the connector here? Yeah, it's here. Oops. That kind of day with two left hands. Perfect. Now we have a brand new BIOS battery. Maybe I do another video if I need to change the screen from this laptop. Very short video. Just to start with something, because for a long time I don't do any other videos. So it's a good start with something nice, easy and quick. See you guys, maybe very soon.